Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the what do you meme filter on TikTok. And then obviously once you have it on TikTok, you can then record videos of yourself with it and then post it to Snapchat or Instagram or any other social media platform. Now to get this filter, it's very, very easy to do. You just want to go over to TikTok and open that up. Once you're in TikTok, you want to go over to your Discover tab and you just want to search for Caption This. So just type in Caption This with no space, just search for that. And then at the very top here, you should see effects. And it should show the Caption This effect right there. But if for whatever reason you're not seeing that there, you can go over to videos and just find a video with that filter on it. But to make it a lot easier, most of you will have this effect option right here at the top. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then it will show you a bunch of videos with this filter on it. You can go ahead and check those out. But if you just really quickly want to add it to your favorites, then you can go ahead and make your own videos with this. You just go over to your video creator and then just slide over to this filter, and then that will work perfectly for you. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.